好，我哋終於咧都可以開始拍啦。咁啊，事關咧呢一個新嘅睇新聞學英文嘅 PDF 咧，呢個 PowerPoint 咧其實搞咗好耐啊。咁去到最尾咧轉咗好多版本，咁啊終於都轉到一個我覺得啱心水嘅版本啦，亦都係啱 standard 嘅。咁所以就而家開始啦，我哋每個禮拜就會更新2個 chapter。咁啊裏面嘅題目咧全部都係 tip 題嚟嘅。咁tip 緊 Paper 2同 Paper 4啦。咁我哋首先講第一個咧就係無鞋經濟啦，咁啊就係 Fur Kids 呢個無鞋經濟咧其實唔係一個近年嘅趨勢嚟嘅，但係因為近年咧冇直接問過啊，即係問咗好多一啲周邊問題，例如係2023年 DSE 嘅pet friendly 嘅 parks 啦，同埋上年説話卷啊講過啲類似 therapy 嘅問題啦，即係用動物做 therapy，咁動物不嬲都係 Paper 4嘅一個常青嘅題目嚟，咁所以咧我哋都要去學一學關於無鞋經濟嘅嘢，同埋同你講一講點解啲人會唔生仔啦，隨之而替嘅就係無鞋，係咪？我哋望一望個 overall 先。Overview 嚟講咧，我哋每一個 PowerPoint 咧都會有4個 chapter 嘅，就係 background 啦，background 就係介紹翻呢個趨勢，跟住咧做個 deep dives，咁有3個 angles 咧去説明呢一個現象嘅，通常係一啲 explain 嘅，即係點解有呢個現象啦。第3個咧就係我哋 base on 呢一個情況，base on 呢個現象咧出咗一個 mock 嘅題目，可能係作文，可能係笑話，咁今次係作文嚟嘅。然後就俾翻一個相對應嘅範文段落，然最尾咧就俾翻一啲 concept 你去背。好，嚟咯喎！首先咧，我哋望一望 background 先。佢話啦，Hong Kongers are buying their pet insurance, birthday portraits and therapy-grade supplements。呢個你應該冇問題啦，就係買一啲寵物保險啦，然後咧幫佢哋寵物慶祝生日啦。Portraits 咧即係嗰啲大頭像啊，即係啲素描啊。我唔知你有冇見過呢啲寵物素描啦。And therapy-grade supplements 同埋呢啲保健級嘅營養品俾佢哋隻寵物嘅。Read that list closely, and you're reading the shopping list of parenthood。你去望一望呢個 list 咧，你會覺得你自己咧睇緊一個 parenthood 嘅 list，即係一個養小朋友嘅一個家庭主婦嘅一個購買清單。但係呢一個咁樣嘅購買清單咧，係 redirected 去咗 animal 身上。你見到呢個開頭咧，其實係好引人入勝嘅，先係講話佢哋買咗呢啲嘢，然後咧就將呢啲嘢咧 frame 成為係一個 parenthood，即係所謂係。正常嚟講係買俾小朋友㗎嘛，但係呢啲嘢咧 redirect 咗去 animal 度，呢個有少少即係少少轉折嘅感覺咧，就用嚟做開頭咧，好 impressive 嘅。This is what makes the fur kids economy worth examining. It runs on a substitution most owners would never admit to。即係話咧，其實點解我哋今日要去睇無鞋經濟咧，就係因為無鞋咧其實係取代咗小朋友啊，係咪？咁啊，跟住啦，raising 呢度。Raising a child in this city now demands a flat，即係話咧，而家喺城市裏面咧生仔咧需要一個屋企啦，a school plan and 20 years of income，然後咧要20年嘅 income。By the way，呢個 PPTX 啦，呢個 PowerPoint 咧會喺你個 YouTube description 下面揾到，你可以自己睇翻嚟學翻啲生字嘅。跟住咧，raising a cat asks for a corner and a feeding bowl，即係話咧對比緊小朋友啦。小朋友咧要有20年嘅收入啦，要有個學校嘅 school plan 啦，然後有一個住宅啦。但係你養隻貓咁樣啦，你要嘅係一個 corner 啦，同埋一個餵佢哋食嘢嘅一個兜，係咪？The premium pet market sells the emotional return of a family at a price an ordinary salary can still reach。即係話咧，即係意思就係指，就算係優越嘅啲寵物嘅市場咧，佢哋即係佢哋販賣嘅 emotional return of a family at a price，即係話咧，佢哋販賣嘅嗰種情緒價值咧，其實嗰個價格只不過係一啲普通嘅 family 咧都能夠去 reach 到嘅，即係到達到 reach 嘅意思係應付呢度，普通薪金都可以應付到嘅。Spending climbs because a generation priced out of children is buying the closest thing it can still afford。即係話咧，即係意思就係話咧 spending climbs 你明啦，即係佢哋嗰個 climb 即係上升嘅意思呢度 ，spending 係支出啦，支出上升啦。Because the generation price out of children is buying the closest thing it can still afford，即係咩意思咧？即係話咧a generation 咧就係一個世代，即係我哋呢個世代啦。我哋呢個世代嘅人咧係 priced out of children，換言之咧就係類似係指。佢哋唔想再生小朋友啦 ，price out 就係唔想再生小朋友啦，即係佢哋俾生小朋友嘅嗰個支出咧，令到佢哋卻步。而家呢班人咧就 is buying the closest thing you can still afford，即係話咧佢係買緊最接近嘅嘢，佢哋能夠負擔得起嘅，咁 which is 係寵物啦。And the market has exactly learned how to sell it to them。然後個 market 咧亦都即係個市場咧亦都係學識咗點樣將呢件事咧 sell 俾呢班想有個 kind of 小朋友嘅替代品嘅家庭啦，就係。 我哋所謂嘅寵物經濟啦。跟住咧就係呢個咧就好緊要嘅呢度咧就去解釋咁點解會有無鞋經濟咧？佢話啦，The fur kids economy is really about what people do with parental instincts that has nowhere affordable to go。好緊要呢一句。佢話無鞋經濟嘅原因咧係因為好多時候人咧係有個所謂嘅親職本能啊，我哋叫做 parental instinct 啊，呢度 parental instinct 咧係指本能係咪？咁親職就係 parental 啦。換言之咧，就係阿爸咧有一個阿爸同埋阿媽，即係每一個去到30歲左右嘅年齡嘅人咧，都會有一個想作為一個 care provider，即係一個照顧其他人嘅一個本能喺度嘅。而呢啲本能因為生小朋友好貴啊，而令到呢一個本能咧係 has nowhere affordable to go，即係冇一個佢哋承擔得起嘅地方去擺呢一個本能，係咪？咁點部署咧？因為 the economy is blunt， 經濟嚟講咧，其實呢件事好直白㗎。In a city that's expensive，this expensive 係咁貴嘅話，即係喺一個咁貴嘅城市裏面 ，a child is a 20-year financial commitment， 即係話咧一個小朋友咧係一個20年起跳嘅經濟負擔。While a pet delivers the daily texture of caregiving，something that needs you、greets you、depends on you at a fraction of the cost and risk。即係話咧，如果生小朋友要20年嘅經濟負擔，但係你生一個寵物唔係生，即係養一個寵物嘅話咧，佢咧係俾到一個每一日嘅嗰個照顧感俾你。點解？因為佢咧係需要你啦，佢咧係會即係 greet you， 即係咩意思？即係同你打招呼啦，係咪？佢會喵你啦，佢會依賴你啦。同一時間咧，只不過係喺生小朋友用嘅一小部分嘅成本同埋嘅風險，OK？ 呢個 hyphen 咧就係一個補充句啦，就係補充緊前面呢個，OK？ 補充緊咩叫做 daily texture of caregiving 啦，然後就講翻呢個 pets delivers 到呢樣嘢嘅情況底下咧，只不過係用緊一小部分嘅 cost 同埋 risk，OK？That is why premium pet spending is so emotionally inelastic， 即係話咧。呢樣嘢就係點解咧？好多啲優越貴啲嘅寵物嘅支出咧，通常咧都係情感上難以消削嘅。點解咧？因為 an owners will cut their own coffee before cutting the dogs。呢個意思即係話咧，一個養寵物嘅人咧，點解會咁愛錫自己隻寵物咧？就係因為佢哋有幾愛錫，佢哋就係寧願唔買自己杯咖啡，都唔會 cut 走佢哋隻狗嘅嗰杯咖啡。所謂嗰杯咖啡就係佢哋嘅甜品啦。呢個就係比喻緊啦。OK？ 點解啊？因為佢哋將照顧小朋友嘅嗰種親職本能搬咗喺動物度啊，所以你花好多錢喺一啲唔係寵物嘅必需品，即係例如咧幫佢哋畫一啲畫寫真啊、影相啊、影寫真相啊，然後買保險啊，幫佢哋慶祝生日啊，呢啲 suppose 係一啲所謂 premium 嘢啊，即係一啲優越嘢，唔係必須嘢嚟㗎嘛。點解呢樣嘢咁難 cut 咧？或者點解咁多人會去做啲咁嘅所謂嘅優越消費咧？同埋情感上點解係難以減削咧？因為呢一個係滿足緊佢哋嘅親職本能，係咪？跟住啦，what looks like indulgence is closer to a rational compromise， 即係話咧睇起上嚟咧呢班咁樣嘅 dog owners 好似咧好放縱咁，好似好 indulgent 咁。其實唔係，其實咧呢一個咁樣嘅選擇。將一啲錢花費喺寵物度咧，反而幫佢慳緊錢，係嘛？係一個理性嘅妥協，一個 rational 嘅 compromise。compromise 咧就係妥協啦。People still want someone to raise， 大家都會想有一個人咧上去照顧。raise 係解湊大。They have simply chosen a dependent the city has not yet made unaffordable， 即係話咧，佢哋只不過係揀咗一個受供養者，而呢一個城市咧係未令到呢一個受供養者咧係變得不能應付嘅。即係寵物啦。The quiet discomfort is that this is a coping response to a housing and cost crisis, which the market then resells back to them as a lifestyle。即係話咧係有個唔舒服嘅，就係呢個係一個應對方式啦，就係應對緊一個房屋同埋我哋嘅成本嘅一個災難。你 crisis 咧係指一個災難嘅意思啦，即係好貴啊。OK， 而呢一個咁樣嘅災難咧，好多而家嘅寵物嘅商家咧，將呢一個災難咧又俾翻呢一班照顧其他人嘅一啲 pet owner， 即係你諗下，本身呢班 pet owner 原本係想生仔㗎嘛，係咪？但因為生仔好貴，所以佢哋選擇選擇養小動物。而而家咧，因為小動物多人養咗，所以呢班市場嘅人咧又將個成本推高翻，又將個價格推高翻。所以呢件事咧就係講緊個 market 咧係 resells back， 係咪？即係又將呢件事咧俾翻佢哋啦，又整貴佢啦，係咪？咁呢度咧最緊要係你要明白 parental instinct 係咩啦？就係親職本能。OK， 下一個 slide 啦。下一個 slide 咧 更加正。呢個咧就係講緊點解咁多 pet owner can never say enough，即係唔知有冇識一啲朋友咧養佢哋自己寵物咧係癲咗啊，係花勁 L 多錢，然後買嗰啲嘢食咧係多到黐咗線嘅，佢基本上照顧隻寵物照顧得好過自己嘅。係點解會咁樣咧？我哋望一望啦。The pet industry has found its ideal customer in the guilt-driven owner, and three forces keep that wallet open。即係話咧，寵物行業咧已經揾到佢理想顧客。我哋點解咧？就係因為呢班理想顧客係咩顧客咧？就係用內疚驅動嘅 pet owner。有三個力量咧，係迫使佢哋嘅銀包 keep 住打開。A pet can never tell you it has enough, so the owner alone decides what enough looks like。好緊要，因為一個寵物同一個小朋友唔同。寵物即係貓狗咧，其實佢哋係唔會飽嘅，佢哋永遠都唔會飽基本上。所以一隻寵物咧係唔會同你講我夠啦，係咪？所以個 owner 咪要去自己決定睇起上嚟乜嘢叫做夠咯，而佢哋所謂嘅佢哋覺得貴，咪就係佢哋覺得夠，咪就係用人嘅 size 去量度寵物嘅 size 咯。即係例如你自己食一個嗌一個外賣咁樣，咩叫做夠啊？就係睇起上嚟你覺得好大份，係咪咁就夠啦？但係你如果將呢個大份搬去嗰啲動物度，喂，come on，啲貓仔個胃咁鬼細，咁你咪會將一個即係太過大嘅 size 俾咗個貓度咯，而且貓係唔會同你講唔夠，係唔會同你講夠嘅喎，佢會分兩餐食咯。然後你就會覺得哦正常喎咁樣，係咪？And they set that bar by their own conscience, and the guilty conscience always sets us high。然後呢班人咧就會將呢一個 bar 即係嗰個標準，用佢哋嘅conscience 咧，即係我哋所謂嗰個叫做咩咧？conscience 咧係指一個良心啊，係啦，即係用一個良心去決定嗰支巴擺邊度，乜嘢為之夠。然後呢個咁樣嘅內疚嘅良心咧，就會將個巴擺得好高，因為佢哋唔想個寵物餓親啊。Every unbought service then reads as a small failure of care。係啦，冇錯，好緊要就係每一個冇買到嘅服務，例如冇佢哋幫佢哋沖涼，冇幫佢哋買保險，冇幫佢哋做唔知咩洗牙等等等等等等，俾人哋睇落 reads as 就係睇落好似一個照顧上嘅失職。On top of this, the animal is short-lived， 然後動物咧係好短命嘅 ，and totally dependent， 然後咧係絕對依賴你嘅 ，which turns ordinary spending into compensation， 然後就會令到呢件事咧將一個普通嘅消費咧變成一個補償，係嘛？因為哇，我唔知佢會唔會瓜噶嘛，係咪？同埋佢一個貓貓嘅世界淨係得你嘅一個嘅啫喎，係咪？你嘅世界可能有好多樣嘢，但係貓貓嘅世界得你一個嘅啫喎，咁每一個消費就好似一個補償咁啦，係嘛？A birthday shoot or a premium supplement mostly buys the owner reassurance that they are not letting down a creature with nowhere else to turn。即係話咧，你幫佢哋買啲 premium 嘅 supplement 啦，幫佢哋影生日相啦，就變成一個買緊一個 owners 嘅一個安心感。所以其實而家嘅寵物消費咧，唔係買緊嘢俾寵物，係買緊嘢俾 owners 啊，係買緊嘢俾人啊。佢係銷售緊一個安心感俾個 owner，令到呢班 owner 會覺得哦，佢哋咧係冇令到呢班寵物佢哋嘅 creature 佢哋生物啦，即係佢哋寵物啦係失望，係咪？Worse, the market has trained owners to read money as the measure of love。最差嘅係咧，個 market 咧係訓練咗 owners 咧去將錢成為一個量度愛嘅指標。So trimming the pet budget starts to feel like a confession that you care less。而如果你開始去縮減照顧寵物嘅 budget 咧，就會睇落好似係認緊你咧想照顧少啲。Together, these forces remove the owner's ability to ever say that is plenty。加埋三樣嘢咧，就令到好多嘅 owners 都唔會可以講話哦夠啦，唔會夠，因為所有嘢都係補償心理一啲情緒價值啊。The industry did not manufacture the devotion; it located a need that polices itself upward and attached the price to every new way of proving it。即係話咧，我哋成個寵物行業咧係冇製造到呢個奉獻感啊。而家呢個行業咧，係將呢一個本身已經有嘅奉獻感，即係奉獻自己俾小朋友，將呢個奉獻自己俾小朋友嘅感覺轉投咗去寵物度，係咪？就會將呢一個咁樣嘅奉獻感咧加諸喺 owner 身上，令到呢班 owner 係一個自我審查，然後 upward 嘅喎，係會不斷咁提高嗰個標準，然後就俾一個 price 佢，係咪？同一時間佢哋係 affordable 嘅，咁就係好完美啦。對於呢班商家嚟講，好，下一個啦。然後最尾第三個 deep dive，最尾咧就係第三個原因點解會咁流行啦？呢個無係經濟，就因為呢個咁樣嘅趨勢咧係會自己食自己啊！ 咩意思咧？就係會自我供給，即係簡單嚟講就係一個惡性循環咯。The trend may be feeding the very problem it grew out of，即係話咧呢個趨勢咧係會自己俾燃料俾自己，係咪？點解咁講咧？The available substitute for a child could be making the real thing harder to choose，即係話咧呢個小朋友嘅替代品咧會令到小朋友更加難被選擇。Caring for a pet delivers a fast, cheap, low-stakes version of nurturing。呢個你啱啱睇過啦，即係養動物咧係一個低風險、平快嘅養育嘅即係養育一個人或養育一樣嘢啦嘅方法啦。The affection, the routine, the sense of being needed，即係咧裏面咧養寵物咧，你都有嗰個親昵感啦，我哋嗰個溺愛感啦，嗰個規律感啦，即係我哋每一日要餵佢啦，同埋被需要嘅感覺。同一時間咧係唔需要你瞓唔到覺嘅嗰1-2年啦，即係你頭1-2年你瞓到覺噶嘛。The school fees or the 2-decade commitment， 當一個人佢感覺到嗰個 return， 即係養寵物嘅嗰個 return，a baby starts to look unreasonable。生小朋友咧更加睇落係唔合理嘅，係嘛？點解？因為生小朋友有啲咩啊？A colossal sacrifice 係嘛？For a reward that pets already approximate at a tenth of the cost， 即係話生小朋友咧係一個巨大犧牲，而呢個犧牲你追求緊嘅嗰個獎勵。The pet 一個寵物本身已經可以俾到你啦，同一時間咧係1/10嘅成本。The caregiving urge that might once have nudged a hesitant couple toward parenthood gets quietly discharged on an animal instead。好難呢一句，佢話咧一個照顧人嘅 urge 係一個衝動，一個照顧人嘅衝動本身呢管衝動咧係有機會會推一啲猶豫緊嘅情侶去生小朋友，但係呢一個咁樣嘅衝動而家咧就被釋放去到動物度，係咪？所以呢度咧其實係一個修飾句啦。大家睇文章嘅時候你要識得分開嚟睇，先睇咗呢一個先，係咪？然後再睇裡面，咁裡面呢嚿嘢咧就形容一個 urge 嘅。And the pressure to have children loses an outlet。然後生小朋友壓力咧就冇咗個出口啊。點解？因為我即係養動物都得啦。Scaled across the generation， 當每一個世代都係咁樣做嘅時候咧，一隻小小嘅貓就能夠鞏固翻自己，即係基本上咧就係意思就係指呢隻貓咧係比起樓價嚟講咧更令到香港嘅生仔嘅率係低咗，係咪？The third case economy is a symptom of a city that stopped having children。And it may also be one of the mechanisms quietly keeping it that way， 即係話咧唔會消失嘅呢個趨勢，因為當呢件事發生咗，其實會不斷加強，因為大家都感覺到，喂，生小朋友同埋養動物咧，養小動物應該係比較 affordable 好多啦，低風險啲啦，同一時間咧有一個親即係有一個所謂 caregiving 嘅感覺，OK 就咁樣啦。後面就係剝卷啦，咁你可以自己睇，然後自己寫一個文章啦，然後你可以 send 俾我改。咁如果你 send 文章嘅話，就俾 Google Drive 啦，因為 WhatsApp 咧近排好多人 send WhatsApp 俾我咧，有少少 overwhelm 啊，已經應付唔到啦，太多啦。因為喺 WhatsApp 講文好辛苦，你 send Google Drive 好啲。例段啦，你自己睇啦，咁裡面咧後面就係一啲Writing Bubble 裡面有嘅句構啦，咁裡面用咗呢個文章。最尾咧就係啲 concept 啦，就係 redirected parent 呢啲咧，即係你喺 speaking 或者 paper 2講到咧好正呢啲，就係被轉移嘅親職啊。或者係一啲照顧慾啊，係嘛？內疚驅動消費啊，呢啲就係所謂 conceptualize 嘅 words 咯，即係我哋概念化嘅字眼。呢啲概念化字眼咧，如果你能夠喺 TS 寫到咧係超靚仔啊，被定價的愛呢啲超正啦，補償性消費超正啦。OK，就咁，希望你哋覺得呢個高質。OK，我哋下一個出發見。